In this video, two totally unrelated plugins which were brought to my attention. The ARverb and the Ujam Beatmaker Circuits, both of which might actually interest you. ARverb is a spatial reverb, just like the Lisi Icon I reviewed a while back. That means that it is a reverb plugin, but uses physics modeling to create a realistic sounding reverb. Now in this plugin this shows mainly when you switch between room sizes. Even more when you use the pan angle, so where to place your sound in this virtual space from left to right. And the placement from front to back. Now what's unique is that every position renders a different algorithm, to really get a reverb based on the position of a sound, rather than having a reverb with the original sound panned a bit, which you hear in so many standard reverbs. As you can see, the interface is as bare bones as it gets. I do love a bit of eye candy personally, and this is too little effort in my opinion, but maybe you love it. Simplicity is what this plugin is about, and I actually do love the restricted choices you have. It helps to get mixed choices done. In the mail I got about this plugin it states, in short, this reverb may be used to glue multiple tracks by making them sound like they're in the same room. Which made me hope for an option to have all audio tracks display in the plugin where you can really position each track from one interface, but alas, maybe it's something they can include in a future version. This plugin costs $40 at all times, no sales whatsoever, and I kind of dig that. You made it so far, that means that you're a champ and you need to subscribe to this channel. This video is made possible by DistroKid. Did you know that DistroKid released a very fun book for audio production? It has few words and lots of fun graphics, which makes it ideal for children and bass players. Sorry, I mean musicians, because cool images. Like DAW, a computer program that records music, and Jack. A jack is where we plug in cables. Find a link to the book in the description, just as a link for 7% off of your first year on DistroKid. Now the other plugin is Ujam's Beatmaker Circuits drum library. This plugin will give very old school electronic drums, with 10 kits, which exists of 16 instruments, with 10 variations each. If you have never worked with a plugin of Ujam's Beatmaker series, it works like this. Individual sounds on the left, 25 pattern variations on the right. Drag a pattern in your DAW and adjust if needed. For each instrument you can adjust volume, decay, pitch, and filter. And there are master effects like sweep, saturate, maximize, and ambience. On the left with this slider you can focus more on kick or snare and adjust the boost amount. On the right you find effects for the overall sound and a mix dial. The beat intensity slider is a handy dial to turn your pattern into something more busy or calm. The sounds are rather quirky and very old school, not really suited for every beat and style. I see them fit for songs in the style of the Gorillaz, for instance. Find the link to both plugins in the description, and something worthwhile viewing is displayed on screen and also linked in the description.